Okay.
printer, scanner,
Printer.
plotter,
Okay. Many things, huh?
laptop, desktop, iPad, iPhone. Like
Okay, a lot.
this
Yeah,
a lot.
correct, correct. So you are doing it for the company, or do you have a particular client
No, I'm doing for the company.
for the company? Okay,
Yes.
okay, all right. So, but do you get a lot of issues? People face a lot of technical issues with their
Yes.
gadgets. Yeah.
Yeah, right, sir.
Ah, okay, okay. So you have to try to figure out what is the problem and rectify it so that they can use the gadget smoothly again.
Yes, right, sir. I think I also say that before discussion about my first session. So when I'll going to explain any issues or any topic
Okay,
with our overseas client, that time I'm facing problem, lot of problem. So
okay.
actually,
Speaking to
I,
them.
yes. So I want to overcome that. So
Okay,
will you suggest me how it would be possible?
okay. So Arun, first thing is you speak very softly, right? You're a soft-spoken person.
No, I'm not
No?
soft-spoken person, but there is a some limitation so that I'll not talk.
Ah, okay, okay, at work. Correct, correct, correct. Okay, okay, got it, got it. So in order to have a good conversation with the international clients, you should speak
Yes,
and read a lot of English material. Okay, try to improve your vocabulary, because the foreigners who speak, they have very good command over their vocabulary. They know very good words to express exactly what they want to convey. Okay, but we
okay,
are not a native English speaker, so we do not know all the right words to convey our thoughts. So this is what we lack.
yeah.
So in order to improve, we need to improve our vocabulary. But now this is a long
Okay,
term
so
process.
let yes, yes. But I want to know some any other platform where I can learn these things. Like
Okay.
I have one choice. Like we can talk to the customer care in English. First
Uh-huh.
one is that, and another you would suggest me if you know
Frankly
about that.
speaking, there are other platforms that are there, but again, they're conversational. Like, you have a conversation with a speaker like me here. But if you don't want to have that, you want to have a technical theory part, then you'll have to figure it out, or what you can do is just try listening to some podcast, English podcast. I think that can also help you. And if you start listening to them, start repeating. Basically, what do you want to do? What do you want to practice on? Like speaking only, right?
Speaking and yes, speaking only the
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
it's more required
Yeah, yeah. So in
for
order to
me
infuse,
right now. So that's why
correct. So,
I'll overcome that problem.
haha. So
Yes.
for speaking, you need to speak to a person, only then you'll be able to improve yourself. That is why we have these sessions. You need to speak to someone who can speak English and correct you where you go wrong. So that practice you will gain then. Okay.
Okay.
So I know it is a little tedious. It is a lot of hard work that you have to put in. You have to speak up a lot. I know. But considering your, I think timings, right? You get exhausted, right? Working and everything. It becomes too much then to practice, right? You must not be getting much time to practice.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. But what about your work colleagues? Are you able to converse with them in English?
Yes, I don't have any issue with the normal speaking and with uh, can say low level speaking.
Okay.
But
Okay.
if
Just
I
basic.
go in deep, then I'm not able to explain anything. And just I'm not able to explain. Able to explain, but I'm not able to explain that person what I want to say. But they didn't understand my language. So
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think that
correct, correct. So basically, two things they must be getting confused with. One is the technical knowledge that you have and they don't have, correct? So that's why you're there to solve the problem. So if you have to explain to them the technical aspect, it becomes a little difficult for them to understand. And the language also is a barrier, definitely. But suppose now if I'm facing an issue and you need to, yeah,
yes, sir.
all okay?
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Yeah. So now suppose Arun, if I'm facing a technical issue at my end, okay, and I need your help, and you know what is the problem, okay, you know the technical point is this, this,
Yeah.
this. So how do you begin? How do you start explaining to that person like what is the problem? Can you give me an example?
Yes. Like just I'll
Okay, suppose now my this video is not working and my audio is also not working. I'm facing issues. Now how will you rectify it?
okay. Then we have to check your first. I will suggest you that please let me check your network.
Okay.
If your network issue, if there is no network issue, then I'll able to resolve it remotely.
Okay. So you'll take over my system, right?
Yeah, right, sir.
You're on mute,
Sorry,
huh?
sorry again.
No problem, no problem. That's fine. Okay. So yeah. So if you're able to figure it out over the phone, you'll tell me like there's a network issue, and you'll tell me some steps, right? Do this, do this, do this. If it works out, well and good. If it doesn't work out, then you'll try to take over my system, correct? To figure out further
Correct.
what is the problem, correct?
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Then we have
So,
to then
huh.
after that we have to check your net. Sorry, we have to check your network adapter and
Okay.
try to ping the IP
Okay.
provided by DHCP.
Okay. Correct.
And after that we have to clear some cache memory.
Sorry,
So
what?
this is not a basic cache memory.
Cache
Cache
memory. Okay. Yeah. 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 Okay.
and network is basically resolved to the
Okay.
network
I got a
adapter.
question for you right now. I do not know how to clear